Welcome back to another vlog. We're gonna start this vlog off with my random Amazon haul. Just, you know, random things. And the first thing is these foot masks that I saw on TikTok, and then my friend also told me to try it. It basically will make your foot hella peel, but hella soft. I think after like a week or so. So we're gonna try this out tonight. I also got the black paint rhubarb. It's like a cleansing stick. I saw this also all over TikTok. I wanted to try this. This is supposed to be really good for blackheads. I also got this walnut scrubber sponge.
And Trulies.
This is to clean my plant's leaves.
Okay, Mom.
I also got a notebook that's coming in a few days. I just wanted to have a notebook where I write in it every day, kind of start off my day with some gratitude, also write down my to-do list, and end my day with some like positive affirmations or some things, or just note some things, like some good things that happened throughout the day. I bought this planner off of Amazon, and this was great for when I was like going into the office and everything, because it has like your week's goals, your week's to-do list, and then it has like your daily thing. But I kind of wanted to just keep a notebook more so as like a journal style, not so much like a planner. So it's just a basic marble one that's coming in a couple days. But I got these pens, Papermate Ink Joy. I just wanted gel pens to be able to write with, to be honest, and I saw these ones were really good and highly rated, and they have different colors, so I'll probably like write each day in a different color just for funsies. If you guys watch my previous vlog, you guys know that I am starting my garden. So I bought this set. It's a 3-piece pruners set, and it just looks like this, and I just needed something because I noticed that there's some leaves that I needed to cut off of my zucchini plant, and then obviously once my fruit does start to come in, I need something really sharp and durable that will be able to cut the fruit off. And then also like my plants, I just don't want to like pop it off. Like if I need to take off a leaf, like I'd rather just be able to cut it. And the last thing I got was for shabu. There's this really good shabu place in San Francisco called Shabu Club, which is our favorite hot pot place. And obviously we can't go right now because of COVID. And my friend posted these sauces and said it was similar to the sauce, so I got these to try out tomorrow. Soy dipping sauce and a sesame dipping sauce, and mix these with cilantro and garlic, and it should make a really good dipping sauce. We want to try the foot masks now. Trying it on Maynard's foot first.
We landed.
Got his on. Now it's my turn to put this on, and I'm not gonna lie, the instructions are not very clear, so I had to call my friend.
That's you right there.
He's playing Call of Duty.
There's one shot.
So it comes like this, and you have to open this up and then fold inside
I don't even
into
know how
it.
got me.
But there's no instructions, so I just cut it off like the very edge of it. Basically you want to open it and make sure you have cotton on both sides. Open it up, and then you're going to fold the top in so it looks like a no-show sock. Put it on your foot like so. They're a little big. I'm gonna put some no-show socks
Sure.
so that
At
it
least I
like
can get them from here.
is tight to my foot. Ta-da!
Sure. Nothing on my heartbeat.
Garden update. It's so much fuller than when we first planted it. When I was editing the June vlog, it looked so bare, and now look at it. It's so full. So this is the zucchini, tomato plant, and the watermelon. And I think, okay, let me see if I could find it. The baby zucchini. Oh, hey. Oh,
Put your chin on top.
you're a traitor.
He's ours now.
Traitor.
He's our dog now. Yes.
Traitor.
Come over.
Need your close up. Oh, that's too close. I'm so excited. So we just had like a social distancing picnic with my cousin and her boyfriend, which we haven't seen, well, since the before quarantine. They came and dropped off cookies one time, but that's literally the only time we've seen them, so I was so happy to see them. And then now it's hot pot night because I've been craving shabu, so I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite things that I like to eat with my shabu. And we are also trying that sauce that I ordered from Amazon, so we're going to try to mimic Shabu Club's green sauce. So we'll see how that goes. I hope it turns out good because their sauce is so good. My favorite mushrooms. Well, do you want spicy or no? This is the soup we use from H Mart.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. Yeah.
Boardwalk's still on that model.
Music.
There has to be, right?
You think,
Yeah.
Yeah. So who's in the records then?
my cousin.
Or your cousin?
I have Clay here with me. Who do you see outside? I say it in the video, but I cannot believe it's July already. I hate feet, so I'm gonna keep this part short. This is disgusting, so I'm sorry if you hate feet just as much as me, but I wanted to give you guys an update. Ugh. Hey guys. Tonight, I'm going to attempt to make Chrissy Teigen's miso pasta. It seems pretty simple, so we're gonna try it today, and fingers crossed it comes out good because we have nothing else to eat tonight then. Finished look.
Looks good.
First one to make a face.
Alright, so we're trying extra sour crybaby bubblegum.
Oh, it's gum?
Yeah.
It's like this. Can't even get it open. Hold on.
Here, give me that one.
My mouth is watering.
1, 2, 3. No, it was okay.
Sour as I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah.
You ready for your pedicure? Yeah.
My camera tripod. Scared of it. So loud. Oh. Eek. Oh. Ooh. It's really, really hot, and it's like 9 p.m. right now, and it's so hot. Just gonna relax the rest of the night. I'm gonna water my plants right now. You wanna see? So this one is my Calthea, and she is bougie. She needs filtered water, you know, but the rest of the leaves are fine. Another Calthea here. This is the newest one. She's also bougie and needs filtered water. She's also really hard to take care of. Those aren't all my plants, but I have to water the rest. A couple of them are in the bathroom, and then I have a few more to water. Thinking of doing like a plant video. I'm no expert. I personally am really into plants, and I like seeing other people's plants, so let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in. I just wanted to come on here and end the vlog. I'm going to do a sheet mask and end the night and restart for the weekend. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Peace out.